Hi, I'm Bethany with FUERTEC Security Screen, here today to show you how to clean our screens.
Following your maintenance schedule, wipe down with a soft brush or sponge to release the dust and debris. Next, wipe with a long threaded microfiber to reach the dirt through the crevices. You want to do this on both the inside and the outsides of the screen doors. Or if the screen is outside, you can rinse it clean with a pressure washer on the lowest pressure settings. Remember that water will go through the screen and you should avoid spraying water into the inside of your home. Next, wash. You can use any mild detergent or soap. Generally, if it is gentle enough for your hands, it is okay to use. Our products are coated with organic polymer compound paint, like cars, so we prefer car wash and car wax products. Rinse well with water. I like to use a spray-on wax. It is the easiest to use. Spray on, then wipe dry to bring out the shine. Try to use microfiber cloths to avoid lint or fuzz getting caught in the screen. And be careful not to use harsh chemicals or abrasives, as they will dull and damage the finish. Today we cleaned an accordion door. Here we only did one panel, and you can see side by side the difference with the amount of dirt that's come out and how much shine comes out. Thank you for watching, and happy cleaning!